Perform hand hygiene. Cover all surfaces of hands with hand sanitizer. Rub hands together until hands are completely dry. Explain the procedure to the resident. Provide for residents' privacy. Fill basin with comfortably warm water. Put on gloves. Expose area surrounding catheter, only exposing resident between hip and knee. Hold catheter where it exits the urethra with one hand. While holding catheter, clean at least 3 to 4 inches down the drainage tube. Clean with strokes only away from the urethra. Use a clean portion of the washcloth for each stroke. While holding catheter, rinse at least 3 to 4 inches down the drainage tube. Rinse using strokes only away from the urethra. Rinse using a clean portion of the washcloth for each stroke. Pat dry. Do not allow the tube to be tugged or pulled at any time during the procedure. Replace top cover over resident. Place soiled linen in designated laundry hamper. Empty equipment. Rinse equipment. Dry equipment. Return equipment to storage. Remove gloves turning inside out as they are removed. And dispose in trash container. Place call light or signaling device within easy reach of the resident. Maintain respectful, courteous interpersonal interactions at all times. Turn on water. Wet hands and wrists thoroughly. Apply soap to hands. Rub hands together using friction with soap. Scrub or wash hands together for at least 20 seconds with soap. Scrub or wash with interlace fingers pointing downward with soap. Wash all surfaces of hands with soap. Wash wrists with soap. Clean fingernails by rubbing fingertips against palm of the opposite hand. Rinse fingers, hands, and wrists thoroughly under running water with fingers pointed downward. Starting at the fingertips, dry fingers, hands, and wrists on clean paper towels. Discard paper towels to trash container as used. Turn off faucet with a clean, dry paper towel and discard paper towel to trash container as used. Do not recontaminate hands at any time during the hand washing procedure.